Hello, my name is Dr. Johanna Loehr and I'm a postdoctoral research fellow at the Griffith Institute for Tourism. My work focuses on sustainable tourism, climate change and system change, with the broader aim to find ways for tourism to drive more holistic outcomes for destinations, so I'm meaning for the host communities and the broader environment, given the global environmental change that we're currently experiencing. I do this by applying systems thinking, or you could say by taking a holistic view on those issues. And this is really important to address complex problems. So the first thing of doing this would be to determine what these holistic outcomes actually are. And this may be done by speaking to communities to find out what their priorities are. So one example of work I'm currently involved in is a study that's part of an ARC linkage project on transformative tourism in the South Pacific, where we apply Q methodology to find out what local people's priorities are for the future of tourism on their islands. The next stage of the project then aims to develop transformative tourism models that can deliver a range of such holistic outcomes. And so with holistic, I'm meaning not just economic or livelihood outcomes, but a broader community, cultural, environmental, health and safety outcomes. So really speaking of broader well-being outcomes. Such local perspectives are really important, but there are also broader challenges like climate change that impose system boundaries or limits. Thinking of emissions, for example. And these really influence the future of tourism, including those holistic outcomes tourism may deliver and how they can be delivered or achieved. So we need to ensure that tourism is managed and developed with climate change in mind to ensure it's not making climate change worse and also not contributing to the vulnerability of people or destinations. Work that I'm doing in this space or have recently done was in collaboration with EarthCheck, for example, that involved calculating the carbon footprint of Queensland tourism regions and developing different scenarios up to 2030 and 2050 to see how that might change. This project is going into its second phase now, and it's really great to see that Queensland destinations are taking climate change seriously. Another thing I'm really interested in and currently looking at is how climate change is integrated in tourism policies and vice versa, and then how that can be improved to ensure that future tourism planning aligns with these global and national climate change targets and that resilience is increased. This work contributes to the first Tourism and Climate Change Stocktake report of the Tourism Panel on Climate Change that I'm part on. So if you see this and you're interested in any aspect of my work, or you want to learn more or have any questions, please get in touch with me directly or via the Griffith Institute for Tourism. Thank you.